Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about AIE's free AI headshot generator, AI image editing tool. And right here, I'm currently inside the main platform of AIE's. And with this one, it has 5 features. But for this video, we're going to focus first on the first one, headshot generator. We have 4 left. I think I'm going to make a video about this, so please tell in the description below if you want me to make a video about this 4 options right there. But for this, let's focus on headshot generator. But before we get into it, of course, you need to log in. I'm using a dummy Google account to go in this one. And the best part about this website, it's entirely for free. Now let's go on this headshot generator right now, and I'll see you once in there. Perfect. So this is going to be the landing page of the AI generator. Now once you're here, these are samples from different creators. And with this one, this is basically how to use it. As you can see right here, just upload your photo and then you're going to have a headshot. So click on this button right here and you'll be redirected on this landing page. Now once you're here, I know that I think this is the 3rd landing page we're here, but trust me, this is going to be the last one. Now once we're here, you're going to see the steps. You need to choose a style, upload the photo, and then generate. So the styles are going to be right here. We have professional, we have old money, we have anime, creative, yearbook, and the works. I'm gonna select all, and these are gonna be the choices. I think I found something here very awesome earlier. I think I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna use that design right there. It's gonna be called Halloween, and I'm gonna click on upload right now. I'm just gonna choose a photo I have from the computer. I think for this one I'm gonna go with this guy. Now before I generate that one, I want to show you how it looks like. So this is the original photo. Let me just minimize it. Now I'm gonna choose an aspect ratio. I have 1:1, 2:3, 9:16, and 6:9. I think I'm gonna go with 2:3 here. Click generate, and I'll see you once it's here. Welcome back to the video. Now we have these 2 samples here. Now you can simply click on download with that option right there, and you're gonna have it on your computer. Now let me just enable this one to see how it looks like from before. Now as you can see right here, let me just minimize it. The headshot is perfect. The nose is right there, the lips, even the hairstyle is right there. Hair color is perfect. Now of course guys, you're gonna see this one. There is an option to remove the watermark. Now you might be thinking that there should be a payment here, right? But there isn't. To remove the watermark, just share this photo to Facebook, Twitter or X, or Reddit. And this photo will be removed for the watermark and you can simply download it. Easy as that. Of course guys, you can generate again if you don't like these results. But for now, I think they're the best, right? And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.